Okay guys, I picked up this Predator lithium iron phosphate portable power station. Apparently this is new to them. They just come out with it. The girl at the store said they just got them in on the truck yesterday or the day before. Something like that. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Does all kinds of things. It's over 3 times the lifespan of a lithium ion. Quiet, clean. Says it runs lots of different things. Cell phone 20 charges, tablet 8.5 charges, laptop 5 charges, and so on. You can look on their site to see all the rest, but it says it'll do a TV for 2.5 hours, which I prefer. It did the TV a little longer, but that's just because I like to watch TV. I'm not anybody that normally buys one of these, just so you know. I really only know what I have watched on videos of different rechargeable power stations like these. But I guess you ain't gonna learn unless you buy one. What the hell? It's got tape everywhere. Alright, look at that. That. Now we might be able to get in there. Hopefully. I gotta watch I don't knock over my tripod because I'm good for that. Alright, we got some for DC. I don't know the name of these connectors. I know somebody probably does. I just can't remember. Okay, and then you got your for your solar, these the MC4 connectors, I believe they call them, with another one of them ends, which I'm assuming is what's standard on this thing, and your power cord, and all the stuff they stick in there that I gotta get out. Oh, and yeah, instruction manual, which you can download off their website on the page for this as a PDF file, which I find easier because I'm old. My eyes don't see as well. So I can blow that up. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. Get our plastic off. And I'm gonna have to see if I can get this lowered a little bit. I'll just maybe. Alright, this is the front. Oh, crap. They want to turn it on. As you can see, it had 41% in it. But they say not to use it until you fully charge it. So you can see all these connectors. Like I said, I'm not up with a lot of these things. I don't know a whole lot. Now that's the power button. Yeah, that's your thing there. Let's see what's on the back. It's a nice handle. It doesn't weigh very much. I'm not sure how much it weighs. Let me look. I'll have to look and see if I can see it. Oh, there's your input. Now it does give some specifications for how fast it charges and all that stuff. I don't know if it says on this box. Oh, there's some specifications I'll show you on the back of the box. If I don't knock the camera over. Okay, wait, let me move this out of the way. I know this is a professional job, right? Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully. Just try to give you an idea what it says there. They did have on here somewhere. I don't want to knock everything over. How long it takes to charge. But it depends on what you're hooking up to it. I believe it was like 2.5 hours to charge from a wall plug, but also if you were using a USB, charging it with it, because you can use both to charge it to get a shorter charging time. You can charge it with a car, solar panels, a bunch of different specifications. Like I said, I don't know that much about these. I have to read up on it a little bit. I just wanted to give you an idea what it looked like since it was new out, which I really got to quit hitting that button. Must be a button to turn the DC on, to turn USB ports on, which is nice because then they're not drawing juice all the time. But yeah, I'm going to have, it's all pure sine wave inverter in it. Neutral floating, 120 volt, you get 2 of those. And it says 350 watts running watts, 700 max starting watts, 294 watt hour. But yeah, it has pass-through charging, so you can charge it while you're using it. It says it has over 3 times the lifespan of lithium ion. And that's about it for just a showing. Like I said, I don't know that much about it. There's probably guys already putting reviews up for these. I just wanted to show you what kind of what it looked like if you are interested and want to put more time into watching somebody test it all out. I really don't have a lot of free time on my hands lately, but if I got time, I'll try and do some testing. But well, I don't know. We'll just go from there. But I'll see it. We'll see how it goes. See how it works. Okay, guys.